While EasyVerse's AI is powerful, sometimes you just need total control, whether you have internet or not. You can type your Bible verses manually just like you do in other presentation software. This means you are stepping away from the automatic voice detection feature and taking the wheel yourself. To get started with manual mode, look at the suggestions box in the center of your screen. You'll see a Bible icon located right inside the search bar on the far right side. Click that icon and it will instantly bring up the verse input search bar. Now, here is where it gets fast. There's no need to type out the full name of a book. Just type the first 3 letters, like J-O-H for John, and the book pops up instantly. Choose your chapter, then your verse, and that's it. There is no extra work to do. As soon as you click the verse, it projects to your screen instantly. Need a different version? Just use the drop-down to switch translations on the fly. The layout stays consistent while the message changes. Even with manual input, you still get that signature.
Now the control is in your hands.